What's good? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your Xbox home screen. First thing you want to do is you want to hit the Pages button. I still don't know if that's the name of this button, but we're going to click it. So you want to click the button that's right beside your Start button to the left of it. So hit that, and then right here, it's going to allow you to add different things. So as you can see, we have Xbox Live Gold. I can remove that if I want by hitting X. You have the Game Pass to store the entertainment, the events, friend, and community. You have the ones that I've made, just randomly made. So if you want to make a new one, all you have to do is hit add more to home, click right there, and then right here you can see it says you have no games recently added, and then you can see I can go over to from Xbox, I can go over to games, I can go over to people, I can go over all these different sections and click on these bad boys if I want to. So let's say I want to add Madden NFL 20, I can click that right there, and then it's going to say add it to home. If I want to click Left 4 Dead, it's going to add that on there. A little Toy Story or something. We'll do a Friday the 13th. Let's go ahead and throw Modern Warfare 2 in there. So as you can see, it's going to let me click all of those. So if I hit the back button right here, it's going to have all of these different things added to the home screen. So if I go back and look, I can see all of those different things. Some games it'll show all of this information up for it, show you some of the recent picks people have shared. Some games it might not. So as you can see up there, Modern Warfare 2, oh, it did load it up. So Modern Warfare 2 even shows some of those. So that's nice. And so if you want to customize your Xbox and get it looking how you like it, maybe some of the games that you're most interested in, you can do this and add them to your home screen. So right now, I got a lot of stuff on here, so I'm going to remove some of these and simply hit X. That's all you got to do. So I'm going to get rid of some of those. Bam, bam, bam. And at the top, you see those up there. You can't change those. Those is like the recent situation. So if I go up, as you can see, it's the recent things I opened, and then it's my games and apps down there, and then it's just some advertisement along this side. You cannot alter these unless you change what you've recently opened. So that's the only way to change these. And then this one stays there. So that one stays there, to my games and apps. And then these three right here, there's advertisement that changes here and there whenever they feel like, wanting to put something else right there. And if you want to move some of these, you can also do that by hitting A on it and then moving it wherever you want it, putting it to the exact spot that you like, then hit A, and then you can put it there. So that's how you can add, remove, and reorder what's on your home screen. Super simple, super easy. If this video helped you out, please, some like button is greatly appreciated, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.